how to send USDT ERC20 on MoonPay. In order to send USDT ERC20 on MoonPay, launch the MoonPay application and this is the interface you will see. From the top you can see three options: buy, sell, and you want to go to the option called send. Once you're here under send, select that particular crypto which is USDT ERC20 and enter the amount that you wish to send. Now, depending upon which destination wallet you want to send it to, make sure to copy the wallet address of that particular wallet. Once you have the wallet address with you, you can come back and just paste in the wallet address in the destination tab within MoonPay. And after you've done that, you can confirm, review and complete the transaction. This way you can send USDT ERC20 on MoonPay. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.